know it's original. So that was the options that you could do. Even that. Just from the standing falling over them for years. The guys were well, people don't know that.
Class B1 over.
Right here.
All the upholstery is original.
That is
not
crazy.
reproduction.
That is
It is not
awesome.
reproduction. It is original.
For being my trophy girl. At first place, Redondo.
It was in the window.
And the winner of the best rally car, Brian Conklin, 19. Before I get into the car show results, and all of your passion and your great cars have made it a fantastic event. And this is
Yeah, and in the back, look up too. You gotta look. The stuff up here, footage and stuff. It's
vent things.
yeah, those things are impossible, and the original ones are just you don't find them. It's an original rack. It's all crazy.
That disappears. You don't see those.
You never see them like that.
No.
And I don't think I've ever seen them made with original upholstery. The ones that I have pulled out, which were decrepit, the ones I bought. But I haven't never seen them made with original upholstery because you would think that makes sense. They had scraps,
Yep.
and they just sit there. They got scraps, so they just make a little pillow and shove it up in there. It was just like leftover. Smart. Stuff under your skin, underneath the dash. Yeah, yeah, it's like still there. It's like it's a crazy car. I mean, it's like something like this.